Trading Psychology, lesson number 26, 27 and 28. Number 26. Discipline in trading means doing what you should do rather than what you want to do. So people act impulsively and they do what they want to do, what they feel like. And that is extremely bad. You should do what you should do, what your trading system tells you to do, what your risk management tells you to do, not what you like to do. It's not a question of what you like and what you feel like, but it's a question of what you should do and when you should do it. Lesson number 27, focus on your losses and you will have more losses. Focus on the opportunities and you will see more opportunities. So people freeze when they get a couple of losses. They feel insecure. They don't know what to do and when to do it anymore. And they keep ruminating about the losses. And that puts them in a state where they can't trade anymore. So it's a bad cycle where you get in and you end up, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You end up realizing what you fear or what you want to evade, which are in this case losses. So thinking too much about losses will create more losses. That's true. It's because you freeze. You simply can't act anymore. You can't think rationally anymore. And yes, with time you only see more opportunities. You know the risk and you take care of the risk, but with time and experience you only see the opportunities and you are not scared about the possibilities of losses. Lesson number 28. When you become an observer of your thoughts, feelings and emotion instead of an actor, you will have control over your action in the market. So this is extremely important. Lesson number 28 is the most important one today. So when you become an observer of your thoughts, feelings and emotions instead of an actor, you must be an observer of your thoughts, feelings and emotions. Trading is something where an IQ of 116 won't make you more money than an IQ of 130. That's not the case. But emotional intelligence is really important. And emotional intelligence is the faculty to manage your emotions and be an observer of your emotions. So you have to be an observer of your thoughts, feelings and emotions. And you can't act on them. You never can act on your feelings or emotions. You have to observe them. Realize why they show up and what you can do about them, how you can counterbalance them. So that's really important. And for me, what helps me the most is Stoicism. So I read the Stoic books every day. The most important one is The Letter of Lucilius and The Art of Appeasing Anger from Seneca. The Letter to Lucilius and The Art of Appeasing Anger from Seneca. I read every day for approximately 1 hour Stoicism. I write Stoic books, Stoic text, and I publish them. But being a Stoic philosopher helps me a lot. And the second thing that helps me a lot is meditating. So I meditate at least 21 minutes a day. It's better to do 1 hour a day. And during my meditations, I just try not to have any thoughts. I try to think of nothing apart my respiration. Inhale, exhale. That's the only thing I think about, and I forget the rest. I try to not think about anything else, any thoughts that come to my mind, and that helps. Now, both of those things helps you manage your emotions. And if you do that on a consistent base, you get better at it. You get more mature as a human being. And while you get more mature as a human being, you are more capable of managing the risks and taking appropriate actions in the market. Okay, that's it for today. It is very windy where I am. That's why I picked this place, because there's a wall just next to me, and I hope that the wall will make sure that there's not too much wind going onto my camera, so you don't get disturbed about the wind and the audio stays good. I think it will be all right, even if it's not perfect. I'll see you tomorrow as always, and let you take a look at the scenery, and then we call it a day. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the little river that you're looking at, there are frogs in it. I can't show you one because they hide really well and it's hard to spot them, but there are a couple of frogs in there. Normally you can hear them. I'm not sure if the sound is picking it up. Now there are not too many, but you can hear them. There are a couple of frogs in there. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and have a nice day. Bye bye.